You want to say it?
Welcome to the channel. This is...
You don't know who I am?
Yeah, I was going to let you say your own name. He don't even know his own name.
Do it again.
Welcome to the channel. This is...
Jamie Harpster, and this is...
Chris Picorni, and we're looking at my shop. We're going to use saws and have fun. That's the main thing.
There we go.
And learn.
And learn.
Actually, he's already taught me quite a bit.
We're recording this at the end. Let's dive in.
Let's go. Hey, Jamie, how you doing? I ain't seen you in forever. Matter of fact, I've never seen you before.
There we go.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you, too.
This is my shop. It wasn't meant to be a wood shop. It was actually meant to be a car shop, but it somehow turned into a wood shop.
It works.
And I'm sure other people like mine will probably agree. Things just happen, but I keep my wood right here for right now. Of course, you see I got a car over here, which...
It's a nice car. What kind of car is that?
That's a Mark III, 69 Continental Mark III.
Nice.
I was raised in the car. That's my dad's. He's been asking to get it back, so I believe I'm going to have to so I can expand.
Yep.
I got all my lumber in here, as you can see. There's lumber everywhere. Wood
You got it stored there.
But it's stored
here. Stored in the corner.
Yeah.
He's got this like massive... This is some ambrosia maple. Both of these. And then these big slabs. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. See those? Those are big slabs of ash that go the full length of this. Man.
They were 14 foot. I think I cut them down
to there. That's just crazy.
It was in more places. Cutoffs are down here.
Yep.
So sometimes I need those. I just cleaned that out a few months ago. But
what? No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did too back in the late summer.
He said he just cleaned this out a few months ago.
Yeah, I stay pretty busy.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, because he built this.
Yeah, I built this actually just here recently. Coffee bar. So.
Yeah, that thing is awesome.
Yeah, it turned out pretty well.
Mm-hmm. You did really good.
Like I said, I ain't been doing this very long.
How long have you been woodworking?
About 3 years.
Okay.
Full time, not full time, just to, in the evenings when I get home from working on the weekends. As I get time, and then I seen I needed to get a bandsaw, so.
With a Resaw King.
Yeah, those are, if you're gonna get those are good blades. They cost a lot, but they're good blades. They really are.
Yeah.
Especially for resaw. Just any kind of cuts, but. Like I said, they got cobalt with a good blade.
Yep. Diablo, yeah. Freud.
This one's a Freud.
Yep.
I put a Diablo in that.
Okay.
It changed the whole saw.
Yep. Blades make a big difference. That's
blades,
what we were just saying with the Timberwolf blade, or the Resaw King blade too.
Resaw King.
Yep.
That's where you can take a cheap saw and turn it into a pretty good saw with a good blade.
Yep.
I know it don't look like much, but that planer over there, I bought it brand new for what those don't cost. They didn't cost. I don't even know if they make porta
Which one is
anymore.
that?
Porta cable.
They do. Yeah, that's what my jointer is.
It was under 200, I think, at the time.
Oh, nice.
And I've run thousands of board feet through there.
And it works.
And the planer blades, don't buy them at Lowe's, please.
Yeah.
Because they're like $40 or $50. You can get them. I know they might not be as good. But you can go on Amazon and they're like $20.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
they're
awesome.
A lot cheaper.
Yeah. I like that you have this out.
Yeah.
I'm so tired of having to take mine up off the table, off the floor, put it on the table.
Anybody, every woodworker eventually needs one, really, for precise joinery. It helps a lot. It makes it quicker. Don't you think?
Yeah, I do. Absolutely.
It's some of the best money. I know they're expensive, but it's worth it. And I got a lathe, but I don't have any room to put it right now.
Yeah, but this is cool because it's on the... I didn't know that Shopsmith, they used to sell them with benches, or you could buy a bench or whatever it was with it.
Yeah.
So it comes on the original,
it's the original
bench.
Yeah.
And I've never seen that before. Usually they're on a wheel stand or something like that, so that was neat. And this is the heater he tried to kill me with. Put the shop up to 80 degrees. I really like this cabinet. You have to show him this cabinet.
Yeah, it was just some scraps that I had.
But I think it looks so cool.
I only used it for like a week. And it hasn't. This is the second time it's been open in months. And
It's
months
just
and
awesome.
months.
I think it's really cool. Why'd you stop using it?
Just happened to come over here and get stuff out.
Oh, from your bench.
Yeah,
We were talking about that earlier.
I think it's more important, like a lot of people say, keep the tools you use the most right near you, which I like drawers a lot. That's why I'm leaning more towards the shaker bench.
Yeah.
It's not much, but it works. It does, you know, what I needed to do, sorta. I've outgrew, you know, just a, but, of course, I got the end vise down there. I need to do some adjustments on it.
I like this bench though.
Drawers with crap in it, but I know where it's at. I'm sure everybody has those type of drawers, right?
Yep. I really like how he did this chisel rack.
Yeah.
How it's right there on the bench. Like, I think that's a really good idea.
Just something fast.
Yep.
And I got me a smaller light there. I needed a little bit more.
Yeah, that's awesome. Is it magnifying?
Yeah.
It is. Nice. He's vintage user.
Yeah, I like vintage.
For now.
For now. Veritas is coming soon.
Yeah.
At a shop near you. Because they are good. Well worth the money. And then I just keep, you know, planes, stuff like that. Just all different
Hollows and rounds.
hollows and rounds.
The bottom drawer is where it's at, though. Look at that.
Rounds. Don't tell my wife.
Yeah. Just don't let her watch the video.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, but this bench is just, I like it a lot. I like that he has the stop here, the plane stop. The issue he runs into, though, is he has no way to really clamp the board to get good planing pressure. Like we were practicing with card scrapers on this board, and against here it wanted to twist and it wanted to spin. So that's one of the things he wants to change.
Yeah.
But
With the new
I think it's
one.
beautiful. Yeah, he's going, what was the style of bench you're going with?
The shaker style.
Shaker style, okay.
They
Which is
got-
the plans from Bench Crafted.
Yeah, they're really good. Pretty good plans.
I really like how big those plans are. That's sweet.
Yeah, they're nice plans.
Yeah, that's all. So it'll be that bench
Pretty,
right there.
pretty detailed. Mine's just going to be a little longer and a little wider.
Okay. I was telling him he should still keep this bench as like a jointery bench because it's pretty tall.
Yeah,
Go
it
stand
is
next.
pretty
How
tall.
tall are you?
5'11".
5'11".
6 foot, but I got older.
Yeah. So you can see how high that bench is, which is going to be really good for chisel work, for saws, for all that kind of stuff. Hand planes, it might be a little bit too tall, but
It is too tall for hand planing, even that. But I find
Yeah, this is
myself
pretty
hand
hard.
planing on this more than I do. I guess because
Yeah.
it's a little lower.
yeah, he's got to stop here for that.
But the new bench will be even lower than that.
Yep.
I think they're like, what, 32, 33, somewhere through there. But like I said, I'll build the new bench, which probably take several months. And plan on moving. All my wood coming in will be over here, like we were talking about, and my machines. And my finishing work will be done over here, where the car is sitting now.
How long have you been working on getting this shop to where it is now?
Well, I built it about 7 years ago.
Okay.
And I moved my first wood in probably 4 years.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yep.
I plan on putting wood floor. I got wood floor to put in here. Just because I'd like to have that feel.
Yep.
And then the paint, the walls, do different things with that.
We'll come back when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want a more traditional feel.
Yep.
Right now it don't feel when you're working in. I know it all works, but it don't feel like a...
It does feel more like a mechanic's shop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I don't want it to feel like that.
Yeah.
I like more what it's supposed to be.
Yep. There we go.
Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any
We had
questions, any
fun.
comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. And we'll
Check
catch you on
out
the
his
next
channel.
one. Thank you. Bye.